Hello friends, in this video you are going to learn how you can get any digit in multiple of some other digit. So suppose you have 21.01 and you want it to be in a multiple of 7 but on the higher side and not the nearest value. So suppose you have 21.01, the multiple, the greater multiple or the next multiple of 7 is 28. Okay, so you wanted 28 from 21.01 and not the 21. So in general, let's look on to the Excel. So suppose the value of A which you want it to be in a multiple is 21.01. Okay, now the multiple value is B called 7. So what we just want it. So anytimes you get the value, any value, it should be in multiple of 7, right? So we want it 7 or 14 or 21 or 28 and so on. Okay. So in general, when we want any digit to be in multiple, we use a function called MROUND. Okay. So when you use MROUND, what MROUND function does is it gives the nearest value, okay, in multiple of some digit. So if we want to get the nearest digit in multiple of this 21.01, it will give a figure of 21 and not the 28. So suppose you want to get 28 out of 21, it is not possible with the help of MROUND formula. Okay, so there comes a technique called sublayering. So in sublayering, what you used to do is you need to derive the sublayer or a digit which is one step below of 21.01. Okay, so how we will do that? You just need to divide this value by your multiple value. Okay, in this case it is 7. So we get some value called 3.001429. Okay, now the second step is to round up this digit. Now when we use the round up digit, we get 4. Okay, so what we did is we just find out a sublayer value or one step below value of 21, which is 3.001429. We rounded up upside on a upper side and we get 4. Now we again need to multiply this value with this 7 and we get 28. Okay, but don't you think that it is too long or you need too much manual calculation for doing that, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you the exact formula, a single formula which will help you out to calculate this 28 directly from 21.01 without doing this 2 or 3 further steps. So what we are going to do is we are just going to sum up this whole step into a one single formula so that you can do it automatically for number of rows. Okay, so let's see how we can do it. We are going to use roundup formula. The first step you need to select is your figure which you want it to be in a multiple. Divide it by multiplier. In this case it is 7, comma 0, because we want this division to be in nearest value of rounded up, right? No like decimals. And just again multiply it by the same multiplier digit. Okay, and we get 28. So suppose you have 21.01, 25.02, 30, 45.1, and whatever figure, what you just need to do is you just need to apply this roundup formula, this divided by 7 or whatever your multiplier is, comma 0, multiply again by 7. And you just paste and do whatever you want to it. And you will get the nearest or the highest multiple of that multiplier. I hope you like this video. Do comment and let me know what exactly you want to learn in subsequent video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon so that you can know my next video. So thanks for watching and goodbye.